video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Let me know down in the comments. For real. Back in my bathroom for another video. Today I'm coming at you real quick on 5 different styles with 3 bobby pins. 5. First attempt of ever doing this. Okay, you know I have to always give you the inside.
Level up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 1. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
Yeah, so this video is all about twist styles. Very simple for short locks or any size locks. Hope you can try it out. Just make sure that you have loose tension with your locks and don't do it where it gives you a headache. I also open my bobby pins before I use them.
Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you. Hey, let's get divert, girl, divert. She sweet, shabert. Down for data, data, she Greek, yogurt. Cheap, chirp, I don't speak. Bird, let's get divert, bird, streets. I learned, I seen the worst.
Okay, so now I'm going to try cornrow style, and if you can do cornrows, you can do it, or you can use rubber bands or do plaits.
You gon' have to do more than just. You gon' have to do less for you. So mama, you know I always want you to. You gon' have to do more than just. You gon' have to do less for you. So mama, you know I.
Okay, so now I'm going to put all 4 braids together in a rubber band, and then I'm going to twist up the back. So twist in the back, braids in the front. You give it what you want.
And I guess it's safe to say you take my pain away. I just wanna hold you all night long. Whenever I'm around you, nothing.
Now just go around and kind of nip and tuck and hide the locks that cannot fit in the twist or braids. Okay, so section off a large section. I use a large section so that I can have a lot of volume with my hump or my pompadour because my hair is short. And then I'm going to swoop all my locks to one side. And I kind of did like a little crisscross, you know. And I used the bobby pins. I crisscrossed it and then I put a bobby pin on. If your hair is too short for this style, then you can kind of make it take smaller sections maybe. I did add a cornrow on the opposite side of the swoop. I didn't put a rubber band on the end. I kind of just tucked it and hid it with my locks. And I like this style. Okay, so now I'm going to take a section and I'm going to crisscross it, but going up towards the front of my hair and give like a mohawk effect. Now I'm going to pin down my locks for more of an elegant look, a very like sleek look. I really appreciate the love and support and feedback I got off of the I Hate My Sister Locks video. Didn't know that so many people would be having the same feelings. First video with over 100 likes. I appreciate the love. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. I hope you check out the channels that I have linked down below. Locness Monae and Elyse. So I'll have both of those links down below so you can check out their channel. They both have some cool styles and cool videos, so make sure you check them out. And Q&A coming real soon off the I Hate My Sister Lock video. I got a lot of feedback on that video and I can't wait to do the Q&A for that. If you have any more questions to ask, drop it down below so I can add it to that Q&A. Also, I'll do some shout outs. So if you would like a shout out during that Q&A video, it's going to be a response to my I Hate My Sister Locks video. So come back for that. Put shout out down if you want a shout out. Put your question down if you want to ask a question. And I thank you for subscribing once again. Come back for some more. Holla.